In a little home so warm and bright, Roro smiled in golden light. Dodo sang a happy tune underneath the silver moon. Then came friends with tears to show the forest we loved is gone, they know. Broken trees and empty sky, where did all the green life fly? Don't you worry, Dodo.